Hello people, it's me. Hello. Good evening everyone. Welcome, happy Sunday. Happy Sunday everyone. Good evening. Welcome on board. Good evening everyone. Welcome on board. Sorry I'm a bit late. Chi Unwa Shoma. Good evening. Good evening, darling. Happy Sunday, dear. Good evening, everyone. Sorry I'm a bit late. Welcome on board. Angel, good evening. Good evening, Angel, please. Good to see you all. Good evening, everyone. Let's get to 20 or so then. I'll just appreciate few people. Okay, we're already 20. So good evening, everyone. I've been a bit occupied since, church teaching and all that. Came back. I had to do 1 or 2 errands for my Oga at home. And I just made dinner now, about to eat. I actually want to appreciate Daisy Empire and Ezugo for these are the people that are actually giving you people the accurate information. Do not listen to some pages that are actually peddling lies. Let me tell you guys something. I used to be a presenter on POJ. When I discovered that most of them are liars, most of them are crooks, I decided to stay away. I decided to leave myself. This is what these people do. And if you're not very smart enough, you think they're saying the truth. These people use Ogechi's name to steal. You understand? If they don't call Ogechi's name, they won't put their account number for people to help them or to give them money. This has been happening for years. Even whilst I was with them, they will come and tell you they need money from Abuja, they want this, they want that. And then I was among those that actually brought money for the case of Mr. B. Now, I said this thing yesterday that this arrest that was made yesterday has got nothing to do with Palace of Ndala people. Whatever thing you are hearing from them, it's all lies. Take it from me. The reason why I decided to stay away from them is because they are all liars. They are crooks. They always look for people's pocket. They always look for every little opportunity to scam the public. And that is what they've been doing for years, using Ogechi's name to scam. I was a victim of them because my money was involved in this mess. And most of these people that call themselves real Igbo people, it's obvious that they actually hate themselves and they're using this to make money. Now, let me ask them, how do they want to actualize Biafra? Daisy Empire, thanks so much for saying the truth, for telling the public the main truth, and not all these lies peddled by Palace of Justice idiots. I know them. I know how they operate. I know how they cook up lies. Now, Ogechi was not arrested by any Interpol. Ogechi was not arrested by any of those guys you saw there. Has got nothing. Yes, you might say some persons use their boys, which is Governor Ezioku and Jpac. You know, they are errand boys. That's what they do. They go on an errand for some top people in Igbo land. And these are the people who are not fit enough or capable enough or don't have the capacity to come up with their face to say like, okay, you said this about me. I want to arrest you. Come and say this, bring evidence. So they have to do their dirty job using Jpac and Governor Eziokwu. And you can see how Governor Eziokwu was jubilating yesterday. I've seen my goddess. I've seen my God. This is Ogechi Okeke Njaka. So, there is no Interpol. Don't listen to one lady that's, you know, all her years. Okay, Chiga, you come to Nigeria and answer Interpol. Okay, Chi, I have an American passport. I'm coming to America to see you. Okay, Chi. Now, this lady, this woman, I remember then when I used to fight Oge. This woman, now at that whatever, if you comment here again, I'm gonna block you. You people are the ones that actually pushed Ogechi to be insulting people. POJ members actually pushed Ogechi to be insulting people. This is how these frustrated idiots operate. They go under fake accounts, pretend to be who they are not. They will be the one, just like when they were raising money for people Igbo that time. They will be the same people that will call on, POJ members will call on Ogechi's program, pretending to be supporting Igbo. And later they will go on Ken's program and start saying that Ogechi raised 2 million. Okay. It's all lies. Take it from me. I used to be one of them before I left. Take it from me. They are all crooks. Plus the one, all the people calling, they are all, I'm saying it with my face. They are all crooks. They use this means to extort money from vulnerable people in the public. This is what they do. And if you're not very smart, you will think that they actually did the work. You see them when they finish running their program, they put their number from people to give them money. This is how they steal from, they are jobless. They don't have any job. That is why you see them telling lies. I actually saw someone, a man, lying through his teeth that they met Ogechi in a hotel room, and he was on a live video showing him his face. Tomorrow, if he's arrested now to come and prove the points, they start saying Ndi Igbo the wicked, or because tomorrow, if Ogechi decides to retaliate on this stupid deportee by going to arrest him now, to come and prove that, or the husband goes to arrest him to come and prove where the wife was with a man in the hotel. Now, that's not you going to put it on your arrest. What about you people saying lies against the innocent girl? That Governor Eziokwu had to come to lie against IPOP members. That Ogechi is raising money for IPOP members. Why all the lies? You know one thing I've discovered? The real racism is in the Igbo land. You see, Nigerian government has got nothing against the Igbos. Nigerian government does not hate the Igbos. The Igbos are their own enemies. Ndi Igbo hate themselves. Igbo people are their real enemies. Igbo people are tribalistic. Igbo people are racist. Take it from me. Ndi Igbo are racist. They are liars. And that is why Biafra cannot come. I've said this several times. Biafra can never come. Number one, why? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is there. Nobody is even saying anything. At least they have people who are IPOP followers. I am not one of IPOP member. I have never been. But I just love Mazi Nnamdi Kanu naturally. That was why I used to talk about him. But the people who say they are registered, I know Ikenga has left. And since Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was arrested, they are all over the place. No direction. Now, Igbo people are their own enemies. Igbos hate themselves. Igbos are tribalistic. Igbos are racist. Take it from me with full chest. You know why? Look at all the lies people from POJ are telling, and people are believing them. That's one in Abuja. Okay, Sunday. This lady called on the platform. I was saying that I used to fight Ogechi. Now I am not fighting Ogechi. All the things you said, and I'm putting my body as if I have connection. That is her friend. You know that woman. That is why only because when they look for your trouble, they forget so soon. And then when you now retaliate, they start crying. You talk too much. That is why your friend and sister in America rubbished you. Oh, you your friend, your friends in America, how originally, kotogi, ma all those behind Abanaka, that's not a real one. They finish you. I will say you know what's in they talk about you. You know go they talk. I will say you know what's in they talk about you, your life, for how old you started following in Dawusa. You know go they talk. But she don't know because your life history. I know but I don't need it for anything. Look at you. A fourth wife for that matter. Fourth or fifth wife. You should be ashamed of yourself. Now you're saying, if you're looking for, if you want to, you can come. If you have any petition to bring, you can bring the petition and bring it to Abuja. When you come, if you don't have any house, if you don't have transportation, you can contact me. I will get you a place to stay for. If you go at your own risk, somebody that when Ken was arrested, Shikima, she no bring, give him money, sir. Intelligent caller confirm, I'm saying no give him one dime. Nah, he's telling you people to come to Abuja. He's telling you people, I don't know with a lawyer, I am lawyer 300,000. And also my son in your video. I want you to put in a video. I pull them from this case. You have one on Abuja. It's anything. See, no Interpol arrested Ogechi. And Ogechi is not in the custody of Interpol. And Ogechi is still in Anambra. Ogechi has not moved to Abuja. All the lies they are feeding you people with is a pity. That's out of your head. You know one thing, you know my happiness. I heard a claimed woman that said she just had a baby, stayed on a live program for almost over an hour. No cry of the baby. So you just had a newborn, just 2 or a month. You left the baby. You're driving. No, accept. Did you see yourself? Do you see how unkept, despite the fact you're claiming? This is the same woman that sold her private part for 30,000 naira. Now she's coming. The group she was in, Executive Garden, I have everything. Now you're coming to talk. Vending ground. Sometimes, you people's hatred has made you people to be exposing yourself the more to the other tribes. Why should the Northerners respect you guys? Why should the Westerners respect Easterners? Of course they will not. Of course you guys will keep on being boy to the Northerners. Of course the Northerners will always be at the toppest. Of course the Westerners will be at the toppest. And the Igbos, you know where you people are? At the level ground. That's why they can never give any Igbo man any key position in Nigeria. And that is why Igbo can never get Biafra. Because imagine someone like Governor Ezioku coming out to the whole world, telling the world that Ogechi is raising money for IPOB. And then IPOB members have not taken any action to get him arrested, to come and prove and bring evidence. Because in that video, he actually said that he has evidence, that he has all the videos. Men that talk before they reason. Men that think through their anus. Men that you see them, look at Jpac, Oneko ka Ijebugari. Hey, let's move. Order from above. Let's move. Men de fulani na abia chupushinde nde neunu na farm. Let's move and go and cut you full of news. You know, I got sweat. Let's move. Let's move. Now, very soon now, I see person they write for my video where I post. Say I'm eating. No, I'm not going to eat. Very soon now, I go tell me, say, I'm happy that Ogechi is, they've arrested Ogechi. I'm happy now, fucking. No, very soon now, I go tell me, say, don't fuck your living boyfriend, no, because they've arrested Ogechi. Very soon, and I go say, you have to do 40 days fasting, no, Lent is coming. Because you see, you Igbos, you have a long way to go. You have a long way from actualizing Biafra. Take it from me. Also, Anushaga, I wish Mazi Nnamdi Kanu never left the shores of United Kingdom. I wish he never did. I wish he had remained here to fight for position in a sane country, a country that is well civilized. Igbo people don't deserve any good person. Onomayu no deserve likes of Okorocha, likes of this current governor of Imo State. Now, these are the people you people deserve to rule on. Now, when we say they go take on a pension, they can build a rocket sky. Those are the kind of governors you people need. You don't need leaders like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that will tell you people the truth to your face. You hate yourselves. You don't you don't know how to coordinate. I mean, just tell me. Look at men. Men, you know the most annoying part. Men are the ones celebrating just for one person's arrest. What does that tell you guys? That she is the goddess. She is the real Okalisia. Now, like I said, Ezugo, I want to appreciate you. Daisy Empire, I want to appreciate you for giving the right information. Ogechi is not in any Abuja. These people are liars. They are not the ones that actually, they only went there because they want to prove a point to social media. They want to prove a point like, yeah, finally we've seen Ogechi. So this is Ogechi that is on now on Facebook. Ogechi, look at, oh God. Ndago. Ogechi, of course, I go why. Ogechi is the Okalisia. Look at the way she's messing. All of them, all the Igbo men are useless. Only one woman messing you people about. Your God, the only oxygen you people breathe. Only oxygen. If she takes that oxygen now, all of them go kweme. Please, people, whatever information you're getting from those people, they are all fake. Ogechi is not in any Abuja. This is a trick to steal from you people. This is what this so-called POJ members, hungry people, these people are hungry and they are beggars. Take it from me. You know why? I can tell all these presenters from POJ to bring their payment slip they use for Mr. B's case. They don't have any because they didn't bring any money. They didn't bring Shikima. Me, I was presenting. I also brought money to get justice for Mr. B. Ask all these men, all these useless men that call themselves POJ members. Ask them, how much did you even bring? You're fighting for justice. Person when they fight for justice, at least if they give money, if they come out, you spend money, right? Ask them if they even brought 1 naira. They don't bring. Now, so they steal from innocent people. Steal from the public. The truth is, take it from me, Igbos are racists. Igbo nation, Igbo tribe, they are racist. They are tribalistic. They can never be at peace with one another. They hate themselves. And it's obvious it's showing right now. Because I saw a man saying, I say, let me drum. Ah, imagine. Please, is Governor Ezeoku married? I want to find out if he's actually a man, because the kind of character he displayed does not qualify him to be a married man, shouting over a woman. You should have said, okay, you insulted me, I'm going to send my wife after you. Then you use your wife, woman to woman. But look at you. You're challenging Oge. That means Oge is a man like you. Okay, you all are women. You see all the men who get about on G4 near record. And I think really security of Nigeria needs to be questioned. Because men who are not police officers, and I'm glad that some of them, they show their faces, they need to call them and query them. You went for an arrest, right? Did you people give her a letter, warrant of arrest? Maybe she has the copy, she didn't show it. That's number one. Number two, what business do you have going with police officers to start recording? And if you call yourself a police officer, like that's to intelligent caller right now, do you think you have actually done the right thing? If you're actually a police officer, do you think the action as an officer, the action you took is the right one? Number one, why were you even hiding? Are you ashamed of yourself? Does it mean all the things you were saying about Ogechi's mom is a lie? That the mother is a prostitute? Does it mean you've been lying? You know I told you that. But to draw yourself down. Emma, they remember. I said it some time ago that I wasn't going to bring out anybody. That he will be the one to bring out himself. He brought out himself yesterday. More is coming. He will be the one that will be doing it himself, exposing himself. And he will be the one that will pull down himself by himself. It's only a matter of time. Oh, anybody gave me. This is not threatening, but I'm telling him the truth. When I see things and say it, people don't understand. Now I've said another one. I said it then that I'm not going to bring him out. He will bring out himself. But it's a pity that he's not man enough. That's to show you that he's a coward. Because only a coward that can actually be hiding. You met Ogechi. Ogechi is a nobody, like you people said, right? So why hiding your face? I mean, if to tell the way, should have proven that you're doing the right thing by you know, saying that this is me. You've been looking for me, so this is me now. So I'm among those that came to arrest you. Hiding with baseball hats. It doesn't tell. There's no integrity in that. To be honest, there is no integrity in that at all. So, as you go, I want to appreciate you so much for the updates. And Daisy Empire, I know your video came late, but I know how you feel. You understand? Just that we were, the first time we saw gay in Nigeria, we are happy that she's, of course, it's her father's land. And like I said, this arrest is just like a pave for open doors for her. Go and mark it down. This is an open door for her. This is the only time. It's an open door for greater things for her. Mark it down. You understand? They might be saying it like, oh, they might be jubilating, but just watch how the whole thing is going to turn for her own glory. There's always light at every end of the tunnel. I was one of those that actually fought her. But I discovered that the people I was with, they are all criminals. To be honest, I've got my own payment slip that I contributed for Mr. Obi's case. Tell them, all these people calling, tell them, all these presenters, ask them to bring out their payment slip. They don't have, because they never brought. They never brought. They will, even then, they will call on my program. You think each and have a model. They'll be making noise. Oh, get your cake and jaka. And Lotana, before they say Lotana Nigeria, she don't come. They say she came Nigeria. She for they hide. If she hide now, they go say she was hiding. You know, that's why I say Igbo people, they are racist. Igbos, I'm an Igbo person, but Igbos are racist. Take it from me. Imagine someone commenting, why are you eating? Why are you posting food? Your friend is in this thing. These are POJ members. They've got nothing to do with Ogechi's real fans. Take it from me. I know how they operate. I've been with them. When money was being raised for Igbo, they will be the one that will call on Ogechi's program to promise huge amount of money, and then the next day they will go to POJ and be saying they calculated, this person brought this amount. This is how they operate. You know why? Because they are jobless, because they hate themselves, because Igbo tribe is a tribalistic and a racist tribe. Quote me anywhere. Igbos are racist. You know why? You cannot see somebody from Anambra marrying from Imo State. You cannot see somebody who is not an Osu marrying Osu. They will tell you, no, we cannot marry Osu. You cannot see somebody from this, they say, which place are you from? Ah, we heard that your great-great-grandfather, this, that, we cannot marry. Why? These are all racism. But yes, have your hands upon and the Ocha will racist. Whereas the real racists are Igbos. The Hausas, the Northerners are not your problem. Your leaders are not your problem. The Westerners are not your problem. Your main problem is Igbos. You guys are racists. I am more than convinced. And it's a shame to all the men. All the men. Both the ones drinking, living in also Vietnam. Can imagine. Asina amwala nwamoke agokwa your type as onye mro nwamoke. A man that was writing children. R.I.P. I don't know why the men arrest, they are not seeing it to arrest. People that were there. Ugo Benaja, did I hear you say that Ogechi Neikoto? Ugo Benaja, it shall never be well with you. Because on this same platform, Geji knew do Benko. Why are you calling Benko's name? Benko said she wants to be left alone. Why are you calling her to come and submit? Were you not there when they were using Benko's new to do program? Were you not there when they roast Benko, Oluchi's children, R.I.P. and did also? Did you say anything, Ugo Benaja? It shall never be well with you, Ugo Benaja. Mark my words. It shall never be well with you. You know there, what can I cause Benko? If you not Benko, see I take action. Now muya siganike. Nah, Igbo people, you are racist. People are just born racist. I'm not there. You name it Charoluchi. Ugo Benaja, you never spoke a word. You never said that Oluchi go and report to the police. But you're now telling Benko. Benko Sigi Luchiteriyogo. Was it not the same you that betrayed Benko? It's now you know you want to call Benko. Benko should go and bring this, that. Look at you. Benko Sigi Luchiteriyogo. Why didn't you fight for Benko? When Jim Veza was using Benko's calling an app as equal 09, why didn't you? Since you are the ones fighting for the justice, why didn't you, Ugo Benaja, come out to condemn it? When Jim Veza was writing RIP on people's children, buying hammer, Ugo Benaja, where were you? The same measure will come to you, to your household, 100 folds. Ade do mogi. Ma this fake one is same Rokita. They know they hear and cry. The real RIP will come. Vengeance. All of na. No neighbor name evil. And you cannot speak up. This is how they will bury your children in real life. And as a teaching, I got bury a ground. No, I'm not going to go bury a ground. Go bury that useless one in Vietnam. The only thing he achieved in his life is hammer. Ugo Benaja, you were there. You know, see, now Ogechi Kerikpo Benko. Kebo Shimwete ya. You understand? And now I call here. Look at you. Look at all of you. People, please do not believe anything you hear. Do not believe Ogechi is not in Abuja. Do you understand? Ogechi remains the oxygen, the breath. You can see it. Don't worry, I know I become comedian. I won't even do interview of Ogechi. Don't worry. Tomorrow I go see videos brekete. So I go give her topic to Olilanya Dibo. Olilanya. Na me look at Govnezio. Why? Ogi pass tara. You are empty. I've seen all of you men. You did not empty. You the one Igbo one making no put your picture, but you've been putting people's picture on your this thing to harass them. Are you ashamed of yourself? Why will you accuse IPOB? Why would you accuse IPOB that IPOB Ogechi has been raising money for IPOB? You need to provide that video. We go push you till you provide that video where Ogechi they raise money for IPOB. And now Koyeri, Olilaya Dibo, Olilaya. Let me do. Chineke. O wonder Ogechi that put umuwoke amummiri. Imagine public of nobodies telling me that I'm posting food. Why didn't I wait before? No, now for tell me say make I not even chop out or make I do 40 days fasting. Say they don't arrest Ogechi. I'm happy. I'm eating. No, I for no eat. I for do for 100 days fasting. No, I for no Jpac. Make my living boyfriend make he knock me. They knock me. No, I'm saying, babe, no knock me. Ogechi, they've arrested Ogechi. Don't knock me. Don't knock me. Now I go tell me whether make I fuck or make I no fuck. POJ, see you people, all of them no go die well. Let me talk am. And I dey talk am because say my money dey for Mr. B case. My money dey there with full chest. Except today where, of course, now gather the money give me. I go live on a matter. But you see all these presenters, they are hungry. You know, so I thought say very soon. Say one particular person go they beg. It's only a matter of time. Anyway, people, make I live now. The guy is... It's just very irritating. Of course now, okay, it's in a man. Ogechi na man now. No, Jpac na woman like Ogechi. You know, say if you toshi eko, on eko kabre jebugari. On eko. Oh, move the car, let go, move, come on, move it. Hey, Chideke. Now, you can see those people where you defame. You see those people, you Jpac, where you defame. Now they come write petition against you. Now they spend the money now. I don't say, I want you guys to hate me the more. You understand? You see this Onyara na London, you people must hate me the more. You people have no choice. No, I don't want any of you to hate me. So I'm going to post more food. So that you people will cry more. They arrested Ogechi, you're cooking food. If you did not bring out, if you had brought out intelligent colors picture, maybe now. See, let me tell you something. Like I said to him that he would be the one to bring himself out. And he didn't bring himself. Did anybody bring him out? No. He brought out himself by himself. Do you understand? So people that are going to now start bringing him out and his family out, they will bring him a lot of naka. Because me, I talk, say, heaven and earth go bear me witness. I will not bring him out. He will bring out himself. And it's happening. You understand? So, good luck to all of you. More so, it's not a criminal case. Don't forget the things I said. This case has got nothing to do with federal government of Nigeria. This case has got nothing to do with Interpol. For clarification, that one everywhere now saying why you Sunday can't. Nobody you give person he can gura. When they come out, they call from platform to platform. Kuna hina osige chetala no give wa putara na platform na akwa madu he can gura. I go they use them. They take and they do you. On a fugi. As for me now, fool, how who you are. Moreover, again, as in people were saying that okay, she called the Senator Ifeanyi Ubah because did not get to show any picture of any Senator Ifeanyi Ubah. Please, we want to know more in a video. Except in Nigeria, they don't go with proof and as in hard copies. Because when she did that video, she did not show any Ifeanyi Ubah. She did not show any from my own why she did not show any picture. Let them go there. Today, I actually saw with the name of Jpac that I took screenshots. When you post through that's Ogechi's father this thing. We don't know where he copied it from. So he will come and say the truth. Apparently, from what I heard, he took it from Osumenyi community. They have a community, and he's part of the community. That was where he went to get that thing and posted it. So I've seen the real one with his page on it. With his page on it. He copied it from Osumenyi community and posted it. And then he came to lie to the public. Wait, let me bring my phone and show you guys. So people, let me show you guys. Today, I don't know what I was going through on my phone. And I saw, hold on. Where is this? She should go and thank indeed the worldwide who mandated me to step aside because of my mistake yesterday. I should have faced that. And now, Koheri. People, let me show you guys something. Now, the person that sent me this screenshot was a lady in Canada by the name Chika. Now, I'm going to turn this camera around. This is Jpac. I was going through my phone today. Hold on. Let me bring out this phone and show you guys. 1 minute. Okay. Now, Jpac copied this thing. I was going through my phone, going through some stuff on my phone, and found this with Jpac. Jpac copied this thing from Osumenyi community, where they were. If he says I'm lying, let him come out. He knows I'm saying the truth. You can see it. This was where it was searched. And I took this screenshot from Oge's platform. Now, Jpac Media. This is a picture that I took the screenshot. And this is the hospital. Now, this is, let me show you guys. This is when I took the screenshot from Oge's platform. Or maybe, no. Oh, it's not even from Oge's platform, please. Now, listen, this is how he wrote it. Oge Chokeke Njaka father. This is from Jpac. Not even from Ogechi. Oh my goodness. See, there's no how Ogechi will post this thing and say Ogechi Okeke Njaka father. Now, Jpac, I screenshot this thing from, you know, me, I like to go with the truth. Now, it was one lady called Chika that sent me this screenshot from Jpac. You understand? Now, this is when Jpac copied it from Osumenyi community and posted it and said, here, Ogechi Okeke Njaka father. So if you check, when Ogechi even posted it, Ogechi didn't have this one. It was Jpac. So today I was going through one or two things, making some research. I bumped into this. You know, before we were showing it that I was showing here, something Mazi Jpac, but now this is the logo. Let me zoom it. This is the logo he used then, and this is Mazi. I even took it 4 hours after he posted it. That was when I took the screenshot. 4 hours after he posted it. You understand? That was when I posted it. And this is his write-up. And on the picture, he now wrote, Ogechi Okeke Njaka father. Written by Jpac. That's why sometimes I like to keep evidence. And people will not understand why I like to keep evidence. He was initially denying this thing that he wasn't the one. Now, this is him with the page where I took the screenshot from and kept it. Jpac took this thing from Osumenyi community and posted it. And that's why he put copied. Because I think he's among those people in that Anambra people, whatever. You know that period where they said they were raising money. So they called his attention to it. He took the screenshot, came and said and wrote copied. He was the first person that brought it on Facebook. Before people start copying it. It wasn't even Ken that posted it first. It was Jpac. For those of you saying it was Chichi that posted it, Chichi that brought it, tell him to come and swear with everything that is precious to him if he did not get it from Osumenyi community. So people, it's always good to have your backup. Do you know me? When I say they like keep backup. After he did it, he now wrote here, Ogechi Okeke Njaka father. This was, sorry I had to show this, so that people will see it, that it was Jpac that posted it. Now tell him to come and swear, because I remember he lied that he copied it from my page. When he knew quite all right that he took it from Osumenyi or Anambra people. And that's why he reads, hold on. Let me read out what was written. Say, this is the remains of of Timothy, okay, Mr. Timothy Okeke, the father of Ogechi Okeke Njaka, from Osumenyi. That was where he got this from. He got it from that platform. Osumenyi in Nnewi South Local Government, Anambra State. He died of COVID-19 in US. The real problem is that about $12,000 is needed. Before then, this screenshot was taken around June or thereabout. You understand? This screenshot was taken around June before he later now posted it. That was how we all got to know that Ogechi's father was demised. Then he now wrote, how did he know how much that would be needed? How did Jpac know that he needed such an amount of money? Hold on, no, let me read it finish. COVID in Israel. The real problem is that about $12,000 is needed for his burial. And so far, the Igbo common in diaspora has raised about $3,000. Who was giving Jpac this information? How did he get the information? So sad that a good man like him, who labored to bring his family to Chicago, could be abandoned like this by his daughters who lives in US. Please help make his burial a reality by your little condition or contribution. He wanted to say, may his gentle peace so rest in peace. Sometimes when I sit down to start checking my archives, I start bringing out the truth. This was Jpac. That is his logo. He posted Ogechi's father from Osumenyi community. He knew how much was needed, because the GoFundMe that was put on by an American man, no money was even said how much or anything that they have raised. This is coming from Osumenyi, Anambra, something South. Who did it? Jpac. Where did he get it from? From Anambra people. That's where he got it and posted it. People, thank you so much. I have to go now. Also, Ezugo, thank you. Some Odogus behind Oge, thank you so much. We know that POJ members are used to doing their arrest weekend, so that they'll prove a point that the person stayed in police custody for at least 2-3 nights. That is what they like doing. But all the same, I want to appreciate all the Odogus behind Oge, and I also want to appreciate Oge's fans. I want to appreciate every other person. So for the record, Jpac has been busted. He posted it. I'll be sending this to Oge. He needs to come and tell the world if he got it from Nnewi people or from chief pilot. You know, I don't know Makamado na asi. Oh, Makande Sipokurema asi. No, chief pilot, chief post yonka. Thank God that today I don't know what I was looking for on my phone. I went to find out this man. You lucky say waja say make I no carry you go burial ground. I swear. Ngadi me chacha give burial ground, may give spiritual Ikute godi na ande mado na ba wicked. Ikute godi na odro mine in I boom made bubo. This guy ran to his page, to my page, took some screenshot and went to post with my chief pilot's logo. Posted it on his platform and was claiming that he saw it on my Jpac, for the lies you told against me. It might take time, but it will come to pass, because I've always known that you were the one that posted this, but you lied, and that is why your conscience will keep judging you till your last breath on earth, because you're a liar, you're a manipulative person. Oh no, na adoration dibo na akusasi ha. Nde fulani bia ha bia ebono na bia na egwuchicha ndị nne unu na nna unu na farm ha ka wo ha na eri nri ha, but unu bia na ame ai ndị Igbo ai ji ego, I have money, you have money, you have money. You cannot build a strong wall in all the whole Eastern. You have money, you cannot work hand in hand with your government. You have money, the roads are bad. You have money, you have kidnappers everywhere in the eastern part. You have money, unknown gunmen waste innocent life. You have money. What have your money done for the Igbo community? What have you used your money for? Apart from being a racist and tribalistic human beings you all are. People, God bless you. Go and sit down. See it here. Jpac busted. Jpac posted Ogechi Papa picture from Osumenyi group. This is the full writing. You don't know, maybe he doesn't understand why they call me chief pilot. Most of them don't understand. This is the full write-up where he can't they write, and may his gentle soul rest in peace. The only that one you see. You don't forget so that you write this full thing. No goes to. No be this. You won't come give me allegation. You won't come tell me say na my platform you from Siam. If you don't look for more gang. One lady, you got it from Osumenyi community, and you know I'm saying the truth because you wrote everything out here. You wrote everything. Anyway, wait for me tomorrow. People, God bless you all. Good night. So, be calm by God's grace. Don't believe any lies you're hearing from any platform. Do not believe any lies. Okay? Hi, Chichi. How Guinea? I'm doing fine. So, this is, I'm not going to post it, but this is it. Jpac was the one that shared Oge's dad this thing and wrote at the bottom Oge Chokeke Njaka father. Do you understand? Anyway, people, God bless you. As time goes on, we're gonna bust their bubbles. Stay blessed. God bless you all. Good night. See you all tomorrow if possible, but I have a lot of content to shoot tomorrow. I want to act Governor Ezioku. Olilaya Debo. Only if you madanaga happen on Facebook. Well, people, good night and God bless you. God bless you all. David Mesley. For those people who are just joining, God bless you all. I really appreciate. Let it be settled once and for all. I appreciate everyone, the new people joining. God bless you. All Oge's fans, God bless you all. Since they don't want peace to reign, it's a pity. Igbos are racist. Unfortunately, from blue eye. The truth is that Ogechi is not coming out. Okay, she's not coming out. Go and eat her up. Go and eat her up. Go and eat her up. She's not coming out. All these people where they fake accounts, they talk. They no bring one couple. Their own be say, hey, Ogechi, they arrest Ogechi. They arrest Ogechi. Where is the warrant letter for arrest? Ndala. People, I bet my Isma go sleep. God bless you all. Bye.